Hi, my name is Shubham. Today I am shooting this testimony for Kaiser Academy. Before starting that, I would like to thank Kaiser Academy for sharing me the roadmap to the digital marketing. Initially, I started my career in BPO with Flipkart and Myntra, but my keen interest was into digital marketing. I wanted to be a digital marketer. At the same time, I was struggling to find out the best institute for digital marketing. Then I heard about Kaiser Academy from one of my friends. I was a little nervous to start my career as a digital marketer, but it was Kaiser Academy who pushed me day by day and helped me to grab the knowledge in an easiest way. Because of that, today I'm working in the subsidiary of a leading advertising company, GroupM of WPP. Here, all the learnings that were taught by the Kaiser Academy trainers helped me a lot to adapt the work and make myself comfortable with it. Along with this, I'm grateful that I was getting training from those people who have worked with some of the leading brands. Last but not the least, if you want to start your career as a digital marketer, with my experience, you can go with Kaiser Academy. I found Kaiser Academy as a best digital guide to kickstart your career. Thanks for listening my insights. All the very best for your journey.